How to start dropshipping using AI. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can start dropshipping using AI. So for that, just click the link in my description box and follow me till the end. So let's start with the video without wasting any time. Here you can see that this interface is open on my screen, which you can easily access by clicking the link in my description box. Once you land on this interface, what you have to do is come to this message box or the question box and ask the AI that can it help you in dropshipping. So it's going to respond to you in seconds, and you can see that it's telling me that what drop shipping is and what the retail fulfillment is. So what you have to do is just go with the flow. I'm going to come back once this prompt is ready. So now I'm going to write how to start drop shipping and then press enter, and let's see what it tells us now. So here I'm going to give it a prompt that choose a business of drop shipping idea for me, and then I'm just going to press enter and let's see what it generates for us. So here you can see that it has given me the idea of a business to consider, that are pet supplies, beauty products. It has given me a niche and that I can choose from. After this I can just keep going on with questions just step by step according to the topics and ask the AI over here in this question box, and it's going to help you. So that's how you can start drop shipping using AI. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.